Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Now tap on app settings under manage and then select most recent at the top left corner. Following that, click on the best option for you, and when you're ready, click on the blue sweaters next to apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweaters. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!